Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time, now Boxes award-winning the Boxed.
I am still the one-time the Boxes award-winning assistant chef, Dave Leahy. Merry Christmas, Bah Humbug to you, and Happy Hanukkah, whoever celebrates that.
And Happy Kwanzaa as
Kwanzaa
well.
too, at Kwanzaa, yes.
I know this was maybe about a month or two ago, Diwali.
Yeah, Diwali, yes. So what are we up to today?
I believe we're doing my Christmas dinner for my mom
Oh,
and
that's
I.
right, the annual Christmas dinner. Again, we're back again, eh?
Yep.
How many years did you go on this? Like third year?
Yeah, at least third year.
Nice.
Yep.
Third year in a row doing this thing.
Yep.
Sweet.
So, the menu is I got some turkey fillets.
Turkey titties.
Yeah, and I also got there's gonna be mashed potatoes. Got some mixed veggies.
Yep.
Some stuffing.
Yep.
And we got some of those sponge cups that you can and you got a strawberry compote going on for that.
Oh yeah. Got started calling for that. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and I already dropped off some ice cream at my mom's place and some whipped cream to go on top of it. So
Perfect. So we're good to go.
Yep.
All right, so we're good. So let's get on with the turkey now. It's turkey time. Turkey time. Mashed potatoes. Look at that. Turned out perfect this year. Look at that. Heavy cream. Just a little bit. So why are mashed potatoes in restaurants taste so good? Lots of this. Lots of the other thing. Butter. Lots of butter. That's the trick. That's why mashed potatoes taste so much better than in restaurants than at home. It's so easy. A little bit of salt.
Salt on the wound.
Yep, add more salt to the wound. Wah, wah, wah. I'm going to pepper you with questions now. Pepper you. And bad jokes. There you go. Pepper you with questions and bad jokes.
Do you remember the bad jokes? Pepperidge Farm remembers.
Oh, yeah, they do. You probably do.
What's the name of them?
Piggy long talking. I'm going to taste these, though. So let's give it a taste. A little bit of a tasty taste.
They did the mash. They did potato mash.
Oh, boom. Those are really good. Here.
I did the mash.
Give them a little try, buddy. Not too much salt in those.
Nope, right amount.
Perfect.
There you go.
One more person going to test out guinea pig here. Guinea pig number 3.
You want to react on camera or?
Come on, guinea pig.
Sure.
Here, guinea pig.
Ow.
Here's my guinea pig. Here's my guinea pig. First little guinea pig. There you go. The mash is done.
That's really
We
good.
got our strawberry. We got our strawberries going right here. We'll be back. We'll start the video in a couple seconds. Got our oven at about 400 degrees already. So we're gonna this is kind of the same way as you would do like a chicken breast. It's gonna be pretty simple stuff. Oil.
Oil will be back.
Oil be back. Oi. Oi. Oi, gavolt. High temperature.
Why? What's the temperature of smoking marijuana?
420. Nice. These are nice turkey breasts. These are nice. Very nice. They're actually quite nice. If you're working with poultry, you're gonna do this. Always. Always remember, working with poultry, you gotta wash your bloody hands afterwards.
Yep.
Salmonella is no joke. So now we're gonna season these. A little bit of salt. Not too much. Okay. Pepper. We're in the festive season. in the festive season, I'm gonna add sage to the party.
That sounds like some sage advice.
Yep. Oh, God damn it. Boo. Just want to get them brown on both sides. Nothing. It's pretty basic stuff. Got a compo here. Not that cool. It's gonna be hot as hell because it's sugar. So we're not gonna cut that for a little bit. Next one's gonna be really fun. Next part we're doing is really fun. I'm gonna break out the wok. Break out the wok for our mixed veggies here. That's gonna be fun.
You know, if you take it to New York, you can have a walk in the park. Central Park.
Oh, I walk in a lot of parks around Vancouver. Family Park. We'll walk in Family Park.
Do you have any favorite Christmas movies?
Ooh, White Christmas. I hear that from my mother. I love White Christmas. 54. Bing Crosby, Danny Kaye. Muppet Christmas Carol. I love that one. Where Molly and Marley, whoa. Where Molly and Marley, whoa. Also like the 1951 version of Christmas Carol with Alistair Sim. That was my dad's favorite. Also like Scrooge too. Scrooge with Bill Murray was also a really good one. How about you? What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is a must for me. So I got that 1964 claymation.
Rankin Bass.
Let's see, then they're like the obvious ones like Home Alone.
Home Alone 2. Home Alone 2 is my favorite too. Well, Home Alone 2 is one of my all-time favorites. One of my favorite of all time of all his favorite is the one where the traps. Is where he puts Gaffney in the toilet. He lights Joe Pesci's head on fire. Joe Pesci hits his head in the toilet on fire, and then the whole fire goes boom. Every time I see, I laugh my ass off. And you know, Joe Pesci had not swear because usually Joe Pesci swears a lot, right, with movies. Yeah. So he said wreck the freck, and that's why he says that. No more stage.
Have you seen the George C. Scott Christmas Carol?
I've not. Is it really good, or?
I liked it.
Also, I'm a big fan of Mickey's Christmas Carol from the 80s.
Yeah.
I grew up watching that as a kid.
Yeah. Also, there's Garfield Christmas.
Yeah, that one's good too. Oh yes, that's also a good one. I forgot about that one.
And I grew up with Elf.
Elf is good.
I got the Milmac, the aliens from Milmac, so I usually watch that their Christmas special.
Elf is good. Fred Claus is good. I like Fred Claus. Fred Claus. I know people give out a lot of shit, but I like the dynamic between their brothers. I like it.
It's a Wonderful Life.
It's a Wonderful Life. That's a classic. Miracle on 34th Street. The original Miracle on 34th Street.
I've never actually watched it.
Yeah, the guy who played Santa was incredible. Yeah, he was really good. The guy who played Saint Nick. They did nothing but good things. Heard nothing but good things about him. So here we go. Gotta walk up now. Our turkey's in 15 minutes. Won't take that long. Our sauce. So our sauce here is flat bean sauce, soy sauce, hoisin, sweet chili, garlic. And keep it really simple here. So when stir frying, you need smoking hot. I mean, like bloody smoking hot. That's how you want to start your wok, smoking hot. And you want to do your vegetables first. So usually, if you do wok, you do carrots. You do root vegetables first, like carrots go first, like that. can add the onions too. No, I'll do carrots and onions first. What the hell? La 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 la. Just doing it. Just casually tossing stuff in the wok. While cooking, about fast cooking at high temperatures. That's what it's about. Look at that. Let that sit. Gonna wait for a second here. Got to babysit it. See, also you got to babysit it like it's a newborn. And the peppers. Love the color on it so far. Hey, just know what you want the color on it so far.
Oh yeah, like I deliberately picked like to try colors like this.
Yep.
Because generally speaking, different colors means different nutrients.
Yep.
So this way I'm feeding my body properly and
Yep.
my mom's body properly.
Love doing this kind of stir fries. Lots of color, lots of bursting flavors and colors. Whee! Toss, toss, toss. You can show off a little bit, toss a little bit if you want to get really fancy. And your last veggies here. Oh, careful. Make a mess? Not really. A little bit. Now we add our sauce. Just a little bit of water too to help it out.
I always knew you were a saucy guy.
Yep. Cover it up like that and let it kind of just steam. Kind of let that thing steam. There you go. Won't take long. Takes about 3 or 4 minutes. Should be done. And then we got our turkey and then we're done. So we will be right back, folks, and we'll show you how everything turned out. Looks pretty good. Not bad.
Oh, that smells good.
Ouch! Okay, I'm alright. I'm okay. I scared myself there. Oh shit. I'm okay. I'm okay. I scared myself there on that one.
Yep.
I forgot how hot that was. Gobble these nuts. Gobble these nuts. That's just a gobble. A little bit too shit. You have another container?
Let's see.
For the extra. You can add that last minute. There you go. Well, folks, I think that's it for this year. Thank you, everyone, for watching this channel this year, for supporting us. Thank you for all the likes, the follows, the comments. It's been much appreciated. I've had a bit of a jump this year in my follower account this year. Thank you everyone for the followers. Much appreciated. Muchas gracias. So here we go. So here we have a sage turkey breast, vegetable stir fry. We have mashed potatoes and gravy and stuffing. Well, you can do the gravy on the day of.
Yeah.
And then we have strawberry compote. So, thank you guys for watching this channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and for those who don't celebrate, Bah Humbug. It's been a hell of a year. We've had a hell of a year food porn wise, haven't we, Disco?
Yep.
We've done some damn good food porn this year. it has been a bounty year for the Autistic Chef and the Boxing channels. And hopefully we'll see you in 2025 with even more food porn. I have a few ideas up my sleeve already for next year. So until next time, folks, I am the Autistic Chef Dave Leahy, and I'm a one-time The Boxing Award winner. And this is
the two-time The Boxing Award-winning The Boxer with a TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. So make sure to like and follow.
And like on mine too. I also have a TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. Please follow me, guys, because, hey, the more the merrier.
Links down below.
Links down below, guys.
And subscribe to the channel, like this video.
Yes, please. And thank you, guys. Merry Christmas and good night. Bah humbug. Bye.
Bye, everyone.